Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sabrina. Today I'm actually gonna be doing an unboxing slash review. Not even review, like a first impressions type thing. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay. So you know how I'm always saying I always want a wig and blah 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 blah. But you know, those wigs are so expensive. And I don't want a synthetic one because I want like the realistic look. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make my own wig. So the first thing I need to do to make my own wig is obviously hair. So I brought this hair. My roommate recommended this hair. She said Brazilian body wave was the way to go. I know nothing about hair, so hopefully this turns out the way I want it to turn out. And later on this week or maybe next week I'll be uploading how I made the wig, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so I brought it on Aliexpress and it came in this package. I don't know, for some reason every review I watch on YouTube usually it comes in like a DHL or some shit like that package, but this was a FedEx, so I was like, wait a second, is this even my hair? It better be though, so let's just open it up. It was supposed to come here yesterday, but I wasn't here, so they left a note on the door, and then my brother actually signed it for me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Huh? Wait. So this is cute. I got 4 bundles and a closure. I feel like you guys need more light. Let me open up this window. No, open up the blinds. I don't know if that made a difference. It looks a little bit too bright. Deal with it. Okay. A 20. A 20. A 22. A 24. And a 26. With a 18-inch closure. Closure? Yes, closure. I don't know if maybe I should have got like 224s and 226, or maybe a 20, 22 and 224. I don't know like how the setup should be, but this is what I got. I did not know. Whatever it turns out is going to turn out, and I'm just going to have to deal with it type shit. Okay. The first thing I can say is this is very cute. Like the packaging is so cute. Like each one comes in this little individual thingy, you know what I mean? So I'm going to open one up. Just to start off, I'm going to open up the 20-inch one, just to start off. So, oh, you don't even need scissors. I'm just going to pull this little sticky thing right here. And pull it right out. Ooh, the little rubber band, 20-inch. And as you can see, it's kind of like in this cute little net to like protect it and stuff, which is nice. So I'm going to take that net off. Ooh, the net's kind of like stuck in this little plastic thing right here. Whatever. Take the net off. Sorry. Okay, so this is what we got. It says some stuff. Wow, this is really soft. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Wow, look at that shine. And the ends are nice and full too. The ends are so nice and full. And it just bounces right up. Oh, that is what I love. Okay, let's see what it says. It says 100% virgin human hair, original version, unprocessed human hair, beauty start from natural hair. And then it says the same thing over here, but on here it also adds dye, bleach, perm. So I guess you could do all those things to it or whatever. And then on here it says 100% human hair. Wow, this is so soft. Oh my gosh, this is so soft and silky. Yes. Oh, let me tell you where I got this from. I got it on Aliexpress. What was the company's name? It's gonna be somewhere on this screen because I forgot the company's name. I don't know how, but I'm liking it so far. Like, I did not know which company to choose because, you know, Aliexpress has a million and jillions of companies. But this right here, well, I'm already messing it up because I'm touching it so much. I'm just going to run my fingers through it. Oh, yo, my fingers just ran through that like a sprinter. Look at that. Look at this. Okay, this is... Okay, I just ran my finger through it at least like several times. Not a single hair. So far the shedding is great. No shedding at all. Very, very pretty. Okay. So that was... This is 20 inches. Is this 20 inches? Maybe I should... This looks pretty 20 inches to me. Like, comes like right here, whatever. And by the way, I'm 5'7", so 20 inches might be like super long for you, but to me 20 inches, I mean 20 inches is still long, but it's not like crazy long because I'm 5'7", you know. 20 inches on someone that's 5'1" is like different. But then it also depends on how long your torso is and all of that. So 20 inches for me might not be 20 inches for you. But yeah, looks like this. Should I open up? I don't have to open up all of them. At least I open up one. But let me open up the closure. So the closure looks like this. I don't know how I expect it to look because I don't really know anything about closures, especially. So let's just... This is 18 inches. Let's just open it up. Ooh. The closure also comes in some type of net to protect it. So I'm just gonna open that up. Ooh, the closure is really... Ooh, the closure is silky too. And I just ran my finger through it several times. Nothing came out of my hand. You know, it has like a little net or whatever. Lace. Ooh. Lace. Lace is the word. So I guess when I make my wig, I just put it on like this. This is... Okay. So yeah. I guess if you want to see the inside, I don't know if people are interested in that, but I'll just show it anyway. It looks like that. I mean, I'm obviously gonna pluck it and fix it up. But I don't know, it looks like that, I guess. Wow, this is... I don't know, but yeah. Okay. So there's a sample of the closure and of the bundle. Let me open up the 26. I opened up 20, which was the shortest. Now I'm going to open up the 26, which is the longest. I wonder how long this is going to be. A rubber band right there. Ooh. So it says all the same stuff. Let me take the net off. Yes. Yes. Oh. Ooh, look. Oh, the curls are so pretty. Let's see how long this stretches. Okay, so you see the weft right there. Keep going, 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 sorry, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Whoops. So it's like this. You put that on my... I'm not wearing a bra, sorry, whatever. Zam, zam. This is like as long as my hair right now. No, this is a little longer. My hair is probably... I guess if my hair was like weave or something, it'll probably be between 22 and 24, I guess. But this is that 26, you know. This is that long ass ponytail, you know. That long ass ponytail. Long ass ponytail. So yeah, this is it. I'm loving these so far. They're so soft, like... This is really good quality. Let me run my hand through it. That was 2 times 3, 4, 5. Oop, there was a little snag there. 6, 7. No hair. There was a quick little snag if you heard it. I'm not sure if you heard it. But, you know, the longer your hair is, there's going to be some type of snag, you know. Oh, oop. Yes. Yes. So there was a couple snags towards the bottom, but that isn't changing my opinion at all. Oh, wait, I think I got my first hair. Right there. First hair that even came out, right there. You can't, whatever, fuck it, but yeah. But this is great. I love the curl pattern. Hopefully it stays like this after, you know, you wet it a couple times and everything like that. Because, you know, after you wet it, it likes turning straight forever, so. And then I have my 22 and 24, which I'm not going to open right now because, you know, it's basically the same thing. I'm back. Okay, I know some people, sometimes when I watch reviews, they complain that the closure is like a different texture or something than the bundle, so I'm going to test that out now. Okay. I don't know how to test it out, but I'm just... Okay. I'm not going to lie. I feel like the closure is much softer, I feel like. The curl pattern is the same. I think the curl pattern are very similar, as you can see, they're the same. But when they look the same with your eye, but they don't feel the same, you know? I feel like the closure is just a tad bit more silkier. But that's fine. It's not like extremely silky or like, oh whoa, wait a second. It's not like that. But you do feel a slight softer difference. Maybe because it's shorter and it's just, you know, more fine. I don't know. But that's all I really have to say. I don't know what else to say. I ordered this hair on Sunday. And now it is Friday. But it came yesterday. But I wasn't here, so that's why it came today on Friday. So Sunday to Thursday, what is that? That's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4 days, so under 5 days, which is pretty good. It was 200 something. The price will be somewhere around here in this little area right there. So yeah, it was 200 something for 4 bundles and a closure. It was like a set. It all came together, you know. And they're pretty thick too. These aren't like super thin. I mean, I don't know. But even if they are thin, I have 4 bundles, you know what I mean? So it's not like they're thin and I only have 2 or 3 bundles. I have 4 whole ass bundles. So we'll see when I make the wig. And honestly, that's about it. I don't know what else to say. Besides first impressions, I'm impressed. Anyways, any specs or anything about the hair will be in the box below. You can check it out. Leave me a comment. Please subscribe, like, share. Please support me as I do my thing. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Okay, bye.